Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to enable autoplay videos on Wi-Fi only on Twitter for PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Twitter account and log in. Then, click on the More icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Next, click on Settings and Privacy from the menu. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your account settings. Now, choose Accessibility, Display, and Languages from the list of options. This will open a sub-menu with additional settings related to accessibility and display preferences. Click on Data Usage from the sub-menu. This will allow you to manage how data is used and consumed on your account. Next, click on Autoplay from the list of options. Here, you can choose when videos will autoplay on your feed. Finally, select On Wi-Fi from the drop-down menu under Autoplay. This will ensure that videos only autoplay when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, saving your data when using a cellular connection. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled autoplay videos on Wi-Fi only on Twitter for PC. Enjoy your browsing experience without worrying about using up your data. Thanks for watching.